Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we're talking about one of the most awaited wireless earbuds of the year, the Apple Airpods 4. These are the next generation of regular AirPods. Apple has upgraded them in multiple ways. They bring better design, new features, and an overall improved experience for iPhone users. If you're thinking about buying them or just curious about what's new, stick around because we're covering all the details, including design, sound, features, battery, upcoming updates, release date, and pricing. Let's start with the basics. Apple Airpods 4 are the direct successors to the Airpods 3. They carry the same general look but with a more refined build. The stem is now shorter. It gives them a cleaner and more modern look. Apple has taken a few design cues from the AirPods Pro. They fit more snugly in the ears and stay in place better. Whether you're walking, running, or just sitting around, they stay comfortable. Apple has kept the same glossy white finish. There are still no color options, at least for now. That may disappoint some users, but the simple white design still looks premium. Inside, Apple has made big changes. The AirPods 4 come with new custom-built drivers. These help improve audio quality in almost every area. The bass is punchier, mids are richer, and vocals sound more natural. Apple has also updated the adaptive EQ. This means the AirPods can tune the audio to match the way the buds fit in your ears. It's all automatic and happens in real time. You don't need to touch any settings. No matter how they sit in your ears, the sound stays balanced and full. You can use them for music, calls, videos, and podcasts. Everything sounds cleaner and more detailed. One of the biggest features this year is active noise cancellation. Apple finally brought this to the regular AirPods. This used to be available only on the Pro version. Now, with AirPods 4, you can enjoy quieter listening even in noisy places. It blocks sounds like street noise, fans, or people talking around you. While the noise cancelling isn't as strong as the AirPods Pro 2, it still makes a noticeable difference. Alongside this, Apple has added a new transparency mode. This lets you hear the outside world when you need to. It's perfect for staying aware when you're out walking or talking to someone. Apple is using its latest H2 chip in the AirPods 4. This chip helps deliver faster performance and better sound processing. It also helps reduce power usage. That means better battery life overall. You can now get up to 6 hours of listening time on one charge. And with the case, you get up to 30 hours of total battery. That's perfect for daily use. Whether you're at school, at work, or traveling, the battery will last all day. The charging case has also been improved. It now comes with a USB-C port. That's a big shift from the previous Lightning port. Apple is moving all of its newer devices to USB-C, and this brings convenience to users. You can use the same charger for your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and AirPods. The case also supports wireless charging and MagSafe. Just place it on a charging pad or snap it to a MagSafe charger, and it starts charging. There's a speaker in the case as well. It plays sounds when you're trying to find it using the Find My app. That makes it easier to locate when it's lost nearby. Speaking of finding, the AirPods 4 case now includes precision finding using the U1 chip. This is a really handy upgrade. With your iPhone, you can track the location of your AirPods case with better accuracy. Your phone will guide you with arrows and distance, just like it does with AirTags. You can also set up separation alerts. If you forget your AirPods somewhere, your phone will notify you before you get too far. Spatial audio is another returning feature, now improved. Apple offers personalized spatial audio that creates a 3D listening experience. You use your iPhone's camera to scan your ears and face. Then, the AirPods create a sound profile tailored just for you. It works really well when watching movies, shows, or listening to Dolby Atmos content. It feels like the sound is coming from all around you, not just left and right. It makes entertainment more immersive and fun. Call quality has been upgraded. 2. Apple has added better microphones and new voice isolation technology. That means your voice comes through clearly, even if you're in a noisy place. Whether you're on a phone call, FaceTime, or a video call, the other person will hear you better. Background noise is filtered out more effectively. It's a nice upgrade for people who take calls on the go. The AirPods 4 also work better across your Apple devices. With the H2 chip and iCloud support, switching between devices is fast and smooth. Start watching a video on your iPad, then take a call on your iPhone. The AirPods switch automatically without needing to go into settings. It just works. That's one of the best things about using AirPods with Apple Gear. Everything connects and syncs automatically. Siri also performs better. Voice recognition is improved. You can activate Siri hands-free by saying, "Hey, Siri." Ask for music, directions, messages, or anything else. There's also a new feature called conversation awareness. When someone starts talking to you, the AirPods lower the volume and activate transparency mode. That way, you can hear them clearly without removing your earbuds. It's helpful when you're out in public or working in an office. Apple has also made the AirPods 4 more durable. They're rated IPX4 for water and sweat resistance. You can wear them at the gym, on a rainy day, or during a walk without worry. The case is also splash resistant now. That adds extra protection if it gets wet by accident. In terms of software support, AirPods 4 will run best with iOS 18 and newer. Apple usually adds new features to AirPods through software updates. So, expect some future upgrades that may improve battery management, sound tuning, or even new Siri features over time. The AirPods 4 are designed to stay useful for years now. Let's talk about price. The Apple AirPods 4 are expected to be priced around $179 in the US. That places them between the standard AirPods 3 and the AirPods Pro 2. It's a fair price considering all the new upgrades, noise cancellation, USB-C, precision finding, and better sound. Apple will also continue to sell the older AirPods models at lower prices, giving users more choices depending on their budget. As for the release date, Apple is expected to launch the AirPods 4 in September 2025. This will likely happen alongside the iPhone 17 event. Apple has followed this pattern in the past. They usually release new iPhones and AirPods together. The AirPods May 4th be available for pre-order right after the event and go on sale within a week or two. Some leaks also suggest that Apple may introduce a cheaper model without noise cancellation called AirPods Lite later in 2026, but that has not been confirmed. There are also some rumors about upcoming features in future updates. Apple is reportedly working on hearing health features. These could allow AirPods to detect hearing changes or offer real-time feedback on audio levels. There may also be improved gesture controls in the future, like tapping or squeezing to control music or answer calls. Right now, the AirPods 4 support standard touch controls for play, pause, skip, and voice assistant. Those work reliably and feel natural. Apple is also said to be working on AI-powered audio features. This could include smarter noise cancellation that adjusts based on your environment, or personalized voice tuning for clearer phone calls. If these features arrive, they will most likely come in a software update rather than a new hardware release. So, should you buy the Apple AirPods 4? If you're an iPhone user and want simple, reliable, and high-quality earbuds, the answer is yes. The upgrades are solid. You get better sound, noise cancellation, longer battery life, and USB-C charging. Everything feels more polished. If you are using AirPods 1 or 2, this is a big step forward. Even if you're on AirPods 3, the noise cancellation and Find My improvements might be worth the upgrade. If you need the best noise cancelling and silicone tips, then AirPods Pro 2 are still the top pick. But if you want something simple, more affordable, and still packed with features, AirPods 4 hit the sweet spot. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. We'll keep you updated on the latest Apple news and tech reviews. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a drop. See you in the next one.